Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now by choosing day-old bread or crusts because drier bread yields crisp, shelf-stable crumbs. You cut into 1/2 1-inch cubes to get uniform pieces. This helps even processing. Once cut, spread in a single layer and dry or toast at 250 degrees F for 10-15 minutes until firm but not browned. That prevents a bitter flavor. You want moisture driven off, not a toast flavor. After that, let cool so steam doesn't rehydrate the crumbs before grinding. Now move quickly to processing. Load cooled cubes in the food processor and pulse in short bursts. You pulse 1 to 2 seconds for coarse texture and up to 8 to 10 seconds for fine crumbs. I recommend checking often to avoid pasty results. Once done, sift the crumbs to separate fines from larger pieces. Reprocess any large bits so you end with uniform crumbs. Make sure to add dry seasonings sparingly now if you plan to store them, because salt can draw moisture over time. Finish by cooling the crumbs completely before packing to an airtight container. This prevents condensation that breeds mold. You can store them 2 weeks in the fridge or freeze up to 3 months. Portion before freezing for quick use. If crumbs ever go soft or soggy, respread on a sheet and retoast at 300 degrees F for 10-12 minutes to refresh texture. One troubleshooting tip. If you detect any off smell or visible mold, discard immediately and make a fresh batch to avoid foodborne risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.